Welcome. In front of me I have Nokia C20, and today I'll show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in the smartphone. And as you can see, here we got already installed screen protection, but I'm going to leave this screen protection on the display and I'm going to put on it tempered glass. You can make the same, you can remove this foil, the installation process will look the same. Okay, so as you can see, we have to open our glass. It looks like that. And it will cover our display here. You can also put it like that. And as you can see, the display is... Oh, I'm going to turn on this phone to show you that we got the black arena. There is no display. The display is here. Inside we can find also two wipes. There's the wet and the dry. And the first we are going to use the wet one. So let's open it just like that. And it's really wet, but it sometimes happens that it comes dry. So you can use window cleaner and apply it a little bit on your wipe and everything will be fine. So as I said, here we got the black arena. There is no display, so we are going to cover it just like that, as you can see. So right now let's use this wet one, and you have to make moves in the circle. Remember to reach every corner and every edge. Right now open dry one. And do the same moves in the circle. Okay, and right now we can also use something like additional wipe. You can also use paper towel. Okay, and right now we can start with applying tempered glass on the display, but be sure there is nothing on the display like dust or something like that, because when you put on it tempered glass you will get air bubbles. So let's start. I will probably put it like that. Yeah, like that. But you can also make it like that, but as you can see, the protection ends here in this place. So when I put it like that, I will get the air under this place. So to avoid it, I'm going to make something like that. And keep holding the bottom part of your tempered glass. Okay, I think it's on the similar position on the right and the left edge. So just put the bottom part like that. And as you can see, it will go automatically. You don't even have to press anything. Just wait for it. And as you can see, there it is. At the end we can use this wipe. Okay, and as you can see, everything is fine. So right now we can turn on our device and let's check if there's no problem with the touch interaction. Oh, I would like to apply English. Yeah. So let's go. As you can see, everything works fine. so you don't have to be afraid of applying tempered glass. You will be protected from deep scratches. But to be honest, I think that the best option will be just to take off this first protection, this foil, and apply this tempered glass a little bit higher, like here. Start from this position. Yeah, it will be it will be just looks better, definitely. So that's how we can apply tempered glass on display in this phone. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.